Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will explore a powerful time-saving feature on the flow grid drag to fill. But first, let's take a look at how time-consuming it can be to enter the same value manually across multiple rows. Here, we are on an opportunity record, and we have a flow grid displaying a list of products to add to our opportunity. Let's say we want to assign the same quantity and sales price to each product. Without drag to fill, we would have to click into each cell and add the value one by one. This is not ideal when you are working with a long list. Now let's fix that. Let's enable our drag to fill on our flow by setting it to true. Click Done, save your flow, and activate it. Now back to our opportunity record. Let's see how much easier this is. Enter the value once and drag down the handle over all the rows you want to update. And just like that, all the cells are filled with the same value. Click Finish, and all your updates are instantly applied. No more repetitive typing, just quick spreadsheet-style efficiency right inside your Salesforce. Thank you for watching.